Have you guys ever been to the Calgary Tower? Neither have I, but I got this wicked ass cool looking lanyard. So that means my one that I've had for about 3 years is finally out of commission. This is about go F yourself about 1,000 times. And yeah, this never got me in trouble. No one could read it because they're all blind. So today we're gonna make the switch over to the Calgary Tower. I actually like this one because it's got red on it, which kind of matches the car. Even though it says Calgary Tower, it has nothing to do with the car. It still has red, and it's kind of cool compared to. What is going on, guys? My name is Drew7. Today we got a brand new video with the Mazdaspeed 3. We're going to be doing some painting on the fog light bezel. As you guys can see, I already had some fun on the left one, and now we're going to be doing the right one. Now you guys are probably like, ew, what the hell is that? And I know these are one of these things where it's kind of like a personal preference. If you get the right color, then it's gonna look great, but there's only one right color to it. So this is really a preference thing. Honestly, guys, if I was you and you had a silver second gen of any sort, I'm not entirely sure if the Mazda 3s have a bezel, the regular Mazda 3s, but anyways, honestly, paint match it to your car's paint, because like I said, you guys can obviously see that doesn't really look as good as that does. So what I used there, that was actually a paint match from dark gray metallic. It's the, actually no, you know what, it's a Toyota paint, to be honest. I think it's a Toyota paint. So yeah, but I mean, so what I did was I painted that glossy black, and then like it didn't look good at all. So I'm like, hey, I have some Mazda paints. I'm gonna see if I can match this piece, which that paint almost matches the paint better, and the actual fog light housing. So anyways, I'm just gonna match it, and we're gonna just go for it. The purpose of this video is to just kind of show you guys how to take it off if you guys just, you know, want to do it yourself. So let's go ahead and take it off, start painting, put it back on. So you guys know me and my cleaning process. I'm gonna go ahead and take my orange pop degreaser and give it a quick clean here. So what I'm gonna do to paint this is I'm going to take some adhesion promoter, and then I'm also gonna start with one light coat of primer, and then I will be hitting it up with the Mazda paint match, and I won't be putting a coat of clear over it. It's not necessary. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. That actually looks a lot better than the silver that was on there. I know that they're all different like colors now. Like the grill's a different color, that's a different color, and then the bezel's a different color. But from afar and even kind of close up, it doesn't even look that bad. So I think that was successful. I think we did good today. That's how to take off your fog light bezels and paint them however you guys want. I paint everything like different ways. It doesn't even matter how you paint, as long as you get the color and you achieve, you know, everything that you want. So as for the exterior of the Mazdaspeed, it's pretty much done for painting everything. I wanted to do my mirror caps black, but I think I'm gonna pass on that. So that's that. So really the next thing is kind of start working on the interior, kind of get the colors started up in there, and then obviously, you know, get into the all the power mods and stuff like that. I gotta get high pressure fuel pump internals. That's the first thing I'm aiming for, and then kind of work our way from there. And obviously it's pricey. I gotta get some winter tires in. Starting off light, I'm gonna work into it a little more heavy. Like I said, I'm still getting used to everything. So what we have right now I'm pretty happy with, but obviously we're gonna get the interior started with. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. But my name is Drew7. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on vibing.